Hi, come and join us in making oatmeal raisin cookies. Soak 1 and 1/2 cup raisins for 15 minutes to plump them using hot water. This is optional. Drain the raisins, then leave to dry. Mix the following dry ingredients together in a separate bowl and set aside. Using a stand mixer or electric mixer, beat 250 grams softened butter until creamy. Then beat in 1 cup brown sugar, 3/4 cup of white sugar until fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Now beat 2 large eggs in, one at a time until incorporated. Mix in the flour mixture using a wooden spoon or spatula. Then add 3 cups rolled oats and raisins. Dough will be thick and sticky, so use your muscles for stirring. Roll cookie dough into a bowl, about 1 tablespoon each, and place on a lined baking tray. Then flatten each piece using a fork. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes on a preheated oven for 180 degrees until golden brown. Like, follow, and share for more cooking videos. Thank you for watching.